All right, so the purpose of this video today is I'm going to help try to differentiate one scent from the other on the Beard Struggle website. And also I'll be giving that discount code in addition to, if you spend $40 or more, you get free shipping if you're in the US or Canada. And I believe it's if you spend $50 or more, you get free international shipping to the UK. I don't know, we'll have to double check that. But anyways, yes, the purpose of today's video is to help kind of, narrow down your choices when it comes to the scents. And I'm going to give my top three. Sorry, that's very subjective, but hopefully my top three will help you decide. And this is going to be for those of you that are bearded and those of you that know someone that is bearded, to point them in the direction to maybe help them out or to perhaps gift them with something. For those that don't want to sit around and listen to me gab, you don't have time for that. The discount code is DANZBEARD, all one word, D-A-N-Z beard. I'll have it in the description box below. Where do we start? I'm going to start, and actually I'm not going to be, let me mention this. I'm not going to be discussing every single scent on their website. I'm going to be, again, discussing the top three in my opinion. So first off, we have Viking Storm. This is the new kid on the block, and this smells absolutely amazing. This is actually the one scent I've ever worn. This is from colognes to deodorants to beard oils that my girlfriend actually requests me to wear. Seriously. So it's got to be saying something. So let's check this out. Boop, boop. And let's warm this up a little bit. Okay, so the scent, it's a warm scent. It's a warm and a sweet scent, a little woodsy, if you will. It's a amber, touch of vanilla, a little bit of patchouli, but not a lot. It's a very warm, cozy scent. One of my all-time tops is Dolce & Gabbana, the One. So being that Viking Storm will replace Dolce & Gabbana, the One, some of the nights that I go out, that's actually saying a lot. And I kind of went ham when it came to this scent. Is ham still a thing as far as saying went ham? Well, I went ham and I got the oil, balm, beard wash, and conditioner, being that I like this so much. So one more time, that's Viking Storm. Next up, let's see here. We have Ragnarok. It's going to be switching up a bit on the scent spectrum, not too much. It's still a warm scent, but with this scent, the notes are a clove note with some spice and a touch of sweetness as well. So it's close on the spectrum to Viking Storm, but if you're into the smell of cloves, this will definitely tickle your fancy. Tickle your fancy, I don't know. I don't know why I just said that. But yes, if cloves are something that you like, this will do well. And again, this is another warm, welcoming scent. So yeah, and again, this is Ragnarok. And with all these scents, they're in you can get them in the oil, you can get them in the balm, you can also get the Viking Storm in the beard wash and conditioner. I don't know if you can get the wash and conditioner in the Ragnarok. I'll have to check up on that. I'll check into that. So yeah, so that's Ragnarok. And then we have Viking Honor. And this right here, this is the beard conditioner. And this was my primary choice in the beginning before Ragnarok and Viking Storm was the Viking Honor, because it has it's like a fresh scent. It's a minty scent with a bit of lime to it. So when it came to my washes and conditioners, I would always get the Viking Honor, and then I would use the Ragnarok back in the day, because Ragnarok was actually my number one before Viking Storm came out. Those are my top three scents. So if you have the Beard Struggle products, let us know what some of your favorite scents are. And so in addition to the beard oils and balms, They have this brand new dot bag, which is bigger than the initial dot bag. And of course, there's always the heated beard brush straightener and volumizer. Again, everything is 20% off. So as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe if you aren't already. Until next time, peace! We out.